Readings clear. Southeast.
Roger. Check back in at the shelf.
Preparing for scan. The fracture is right ahead.
Affirmative. Reviewing the subsurface data now. Looks like a viable deposit.
The ground is unstable. I'll proceed on foot. Sample rising. This is real. Lucky. Report. The relay's breaking up. Line's holding. That's our only way down. Wait, I hear something in here.
Analyzing airflow. The dust is moving upward against gravity. Confirmed, there's a vent path. Proceeding deeper.
The readings indicate a significant expansion here. We need a closer look at those formations below.
Analyzing composition. The deposit shows crystalline structures consistent with hydrothermal vents. Could indicate a viable... The cavity sweep shows a flatter internal floor.
Interesting. Water mineral activity.
We need to investigate.
I've found it. There's life here. Look at the bubbles.
Strongest oxygen reading yet. It's a biological exchange zone. Ready for extraction. Oxygen trace is stable. This shortcut should work. Let's send the data. Warning, atmosphere unstable. Potential structural breach. Oxygen rapidly depleting. Danger, retreat immediately. The trace is dropping fast. There. Pulling it back. It's stabilizing, but it's lower. Note the fragility. Confirmed. Status check. Oxygen levels rising. The biological exchange is stable. Initiating HAB-1 repair pro... Remote sensor reads stable. Proceed with caution.
Copy that. Proceeding.
Readings look stable. This vent wall should hold. I'm placing the witness.
The pulse confirms atmospheric reflection, not depletion. Affirmative. Localized gas exchange distorting the field.
Found it! Up! Confirmed. Let's go. All right, Lucky, let's get this regulator fixed. Copy that, Aiden. Just keep it steady. All right, let's get this off. This way, urgent. The regulator. I see it. Let's go.
Yep, you were right. It matches. The pad's got to come out cleanly.
All right, Lucky, here it is. The flattened gasket. It's clear that was the problem, Aiden. Let's get this seat cleaned.
All right, Lucky, this has to be perfect. Keep that light steady. No residue at all. It's clean. Let's get this gasket in.
Okay. All right, Lucky, locked it. Now we wait.
Regulator's holding.
Good dog, Lucky. Comms next.
Pulse initiated. Waiting. Clean.
It's clean.
We did it, Aiden.
Feed's active, Lucky. Looks good. Minimal draw. We can monitor it now. Keep the light low, Lucky. Quiet.
Good boy, Lucky. Signal's holding. We did it. I have found it, but it is not mine to keep.
The chamber beneath the basalt will be living chamber, marked for non-invasive observation only. Oof, verified. The pulse. It's late. Did it find something else?
Regulator, uplink, life itself. Are we entitled to take what Mars has created? Can we take life from a world that has finally birthed it? The chamber below the fissure. An isolated miracle. Or the first exposed node of something far deeper. Is this it, or is there more down there? Only one way to find out.
All right.
Log entry end.
Do you hear that? The pulse. But the rest is fine.
Yeah.
That's why it's worse. The timing is off. It's affecting the oxygen regulators. Rough! Rough! We need to get outside now. Cut sector 3.
Okay.
Rotate southeast. Compare pressure. Oxygen leak, old basalt fracture. Let's move.
Airlock.
Go, Lucky. No margin left. Go.
Hatch hiss, boots crunching on dust.
Light servo whine.
Distant wind.
Lucky, run the second test. Compare it to the southeast field movement.
Copy that. Commencing second relay test.
Phase drift is increasing. The signal is wandering.
Rover motor strain. Tire crunch. Wind hiss.
Lucky? Did you hear that?
I copy an offbeat actuator. Repeating.
The ribbon stops here. The floor is flat. This isn't natural. The data confirms it. This cavity isn't just an archive, it's an active gas system. The final reveal awaits just beyond the ledge. The analysis is clear. This chamber is producing oxygen.
The base's consumption rate is minimal. We don't need to take it.
I think Lucky's found a way to fix it.
Aiden, come on. We're cutting it close.
Almost there. Warning, Hab-1 systems compromised. Abort procedure. Damn it, not again. The regulator is fixable, sending immediate return signal.
Signal confirmed. Rendezvous course plotted.
Lucky is on the case. Stand by for repair. Oxygen trace is falling rapidly. Extraction would cause damage. I'm withdrawing immediately.
Pulse initiated. Reading chamber walls, avoiding contact. Confirmation. Data acquired, integrity maintained. Lucky, translate that pulse to Earth contact. Affirmative. Lucky on it.
The pulse return is drifting against the relay path. It matches the chamber geometry. We've got dust in the venting.
Ascending. Foothold secure. Tether locked. Data transfer complete. Initiating retrieval. Copy. Keeping visual on sensor.
Roy, do you copy? Winds are picking up. I've lost the visual on you. Stay calm, Cadence. I'm marking the path. Just follow the tethers back.
All right, Lucky, here's the feed. We're on it, Aiden. Oxygen's dropping fast. All right, Lucky, tray tools. Woof. Keep that light steady. Don't touch the case. Okay, that looks true. Good boy, Lucky. Now we wait.
I'm calling it the living chamber. One refuge or something deeper? Question open. Hab-1 end log. Preserving uplink.